In this lesson, I will be solving another list problem. In a given list, there is always one largest element. We are to find whether the largest element in the list is at least twice as much as every other number in the list. If this condition is true, then we are to print the index of the largest element, otherwise print -1. Let's take an example. Assuming we have a list of 3, 6, 1, and 0, the maximum number is 6, and the index of the maximum number is 1. So we need to compare if the maximum number is at least twice as much as each of the numbers in the list. So 6 is greater or equal to 2 times 3. And it is true. Then we skip for 6 and try for the remaining numbers in the list. We try for 1 and then for 0. So the question now lies, how do we know if all the conditions are true? The best thing to do is to initiate a counter. And what we do with the counter is that anytime this condition is true, we increment the counter by 1. So for the first condition, the counter becomes 1. For the second, it becomes 2. And lastly, it becomes 3. Finally, you have to check if the value of your counter is equal to the length of the list -1, since we are excluding the maximum number out of the comparison. Now, if this condition is true, we can then print the index of the maximum number, which is in our case here, 1. So our counter is 3, which should tally with the length of our list, which is 4 minus 1, which gives 3.